Hello guys, welcome to this video. And in this video I want to talk about this particular tax that PAWS dropped of 1 million PAWS. So a lot of people doesn't know how to follow this tax and complete this particular tax. Everybody is looking for a way to participate in this particular tax to claim 1 million tokens. But there's a question I want to ask you before we continue with this video. What do you think for an airdrop to give you 1 million points? That means the airdrop, you need to accumulate plenty coins point to before you convert it to a coin or token, and that token price will not worth it, right? So I want you to understand something. To perform this tax, I want us to switch back to their own official community. Let's go there. So this is it right here. There's something they posted. They say, wait, it takes to get a family I'm sorry, wait, not wait, guys, please, I'm sorry, because right now I'm not even okay. This is something funny, but I can't laugh because I'm not even okay at all. What it takes to get a milli. New secret quest is live. Some challenges ain't meant to be solved. Don't think too much. At the same time, I'm talking about update, and also at the same time, I'm thinking of what is happening with me at the same time. So they said right here that there's no tax. There's no tax. I love you. That's what they said. So these people are just joking. But understand something. If these people give out this amount of this airdrop, which means the airdrop, the PAWS community will not be heavy like Notcoin or Docs. But since they are not joking, they are just joking. Let's continue and see what is going to happen. And also there's something they posted on Twitter between Notcoin and BitJet. BitJet were talking about Notcoin and Docs sponsoring PAWS, but later all Notcoin denied that post. That particular post, they denied the post. They say that they are not supporting this project. This looks suspicious because that's what happens to TapSwap. Then that's what happened to TapSwap when TapSwap were trying to announce like they are partnering with some biggest crypto exchanges or influencers or builders. They denied them, and later we know that TapSwap is a scam. And also this is what is happening right now in PAWS. So guys, let's watch out and see what is going to happen. In case you want to see that particular update, just go to your own Twitter. All right, so once you come to Twitter, search on Notcoin, then scroll down and see what happens, right? So Notcoin posted about this. They don't already remove the post. BitJet posted about Notcoin builders that they're the one building PAWS. So in recent post this Notcoin made, they said that they are not the ones building that particular project, right? So they are not the one, and they denied it. Then they later deleted the post. Before I even screenshot it, they deleted the post. So here's what they say: the post is removed. Thanks for solving the issue, BitJet. And then they wrote right here, they said, don't believe everyone, even exchanges. Then they laugh, right? So this is what they're saying. You can see what these people posted right here. They say, post calls, don't believe everyone, right? So see it right here. They say, Budgets and pulse up calls. Notcoin has zero connection with this project. We never participate in pulse or whatever it calls. So they mean that they are not the one behind pulse airdrop. But what does this mean? We are suspecting them, but we don't know. Guys, let's just watch out for this pause and see if it's going to pay massive. Right now I'm just tired, guys. Like this video, share. Like this video and share. See you in the next update. So there's not any tax to perform on pause.